Your BeHear Access headset is ready to use out of the box. It comes pre-programmed with 6 different hearing presets: indoor, outdoor, crowd, live music, telecoil exclusive, and telecoil transparent. Using the hearing assessment in the BeHear app, these presets can be customized to suit your specific hearing preferences and capabilities. Click the link to watch the video tutorial for the hearing assessment. The headset can also be customized in real time to suit your current circumstances using the BeHear app. If you haven't already done so, download the app, then check out this video for further instructions. Okay, let's get started. This is the default home screen when no media is being played. The slider at the top of the screen regulates volume. When the slider is set to 0, the leftmost position, personal hearing mode is off. Tap the preset that best describes your current environment. You can also scroll through these profiles with a short press on the middle button of the right control box. A voice prompt will play each time a profile is switched. The tuning icon at the bottom of the screen is where the magic happens. This opens the audio settings screen. The first slider is the volume control, the same as the one displayed on the main home page. Just below that control are some handy tools for improving live hearing in noisy environments. The first set relates to the current hearing profile. If you modify any of these parameters, you'll be prompted to save the new setting as the default going forward for that specific profile. If you don't tap the Save button, the existing defaults will be used the next time you use that profile. BeHear supports 3 degrees of directionality or sound focus: narrow, wide, and omni. These settings determine the direction from which to amplify important sounds relative to the BeHear user's face. Narrow focuses on the area directly in front of your face. It's good for one-on-one conversations in noisy areas. Wide amplifies important sounds in a 180-degree half circle in front of you. Use it for multi-person conversations in noisy areas. Omni collects important sounds from all directions. Try it when you're outdoors or when listening to live music. The next control regulates the amount of background noise suppression, ranging from minimum on the left to maximum on the right. Next, tap the Sound Tuning button to display the best sound point grid. Use the grid to fine-tune the intensity and clarity of what you hear by touching and holding any square for 2 seconds or more. You can repeat this as many times as needed to pinpoint the best setting for the current environment. The controls in the next section relate collectively to all hearing profiles. A typical downside of wearing a pair of earbuds is the occlusion effect, a perceived echo of your own voice when airflow to your ear canal is restricted. Luckily, the degree to which you hear your own voice can be adjusted using this 4-step slider. The next slider lets you set the balance between your ears. If you've performed the hearing assessment, your hearing baseline will reflect any imbalance between your ears and adjust amplification for all sounds accordingly. However, this slider can be used to augment the results of the hearing assessment if you like. Say, for example, that your mother-in-law has been seated to your left at a dinner party. In that case, you can modify the balance to favor your right ear only. Next is a section for people with unilateral hearing loss. Tap the dot to reveal the settings. First, you'll choose which ear is the functioning or active ear to indicate that sounds from the other side should be transferred to it. If you have normal hearing in the active ear, choose Cross. If you need customized amplification in the active ear, choose Bicross. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, contact us here.